Hey friends, if you wish to recover accidentally deleted sticky notes on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now I'll show you magic. Let's say we have sticky notes here, and let's say this is a test note, a sticky note. I closed it. I clicked on these three dots here. I selected delete note and I deleted it. It's gone. Now will I get it back? I'll show you. Open your browser, the browser, not the online one. Go to your website, whether it is hotmail.com or outlook.com, to access your online email. I mean the one that is associated with sticky notes. Go to deleted items. Okay, now you'll find the sticky note here. Right click on it and select restore. The sticky note won't appear immediately. Close the sticky note window, search for sticky notes, and then open it once again. Wait for a few seconds and the deleted note is back. Can I check the contents? Yes. Isn't it magical? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.